So, this was day 2 of our trip, and we decided we would go to Volcano Bay, just because the weather looked a little bit hit and miss for the week, and so today looked like a good day. High temperatures, sunshine, all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, we thought, why not? Wouldn't be the normal routine. We'd probably go to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios first, but hey, why not? So we got ourselves ready to go. Didn't think anything of it. I'm just showing you here the price of water in the room, $7.50 plus 22% service charge and tax, of course. So we'd gone to Target the day before, got ourselves some water and loads of snacks and breakfast and lunch, sorted ourselves out for the rest of the week, really. Saved us a fortune. So anyway, we're off to go and get the shuttle bus. We're staying at the Hard Rock Hotel at the moment. It's the only one where you need to actually get a shuttle bus, rather than being able to walk or getting a water taxi there. I mean, I think you can walk, but it would be quite a big distance. So anyway, we stumbled our way down to the shuttle bus. The shuttle bus wasn't a problem. However, there is a however here. There was a disaster that did occur when we arrived at Volcano Bay. Measha's swimsuit costume decided to literally break bang on cue. Literally as soon as we'd entered Volcano Bay, her costume decided to break. We did have a quick look in the shops at Volcano Bay. However, I think the cheapest bikini or swimsuit that you could find was around about $150 plus tax, of course, and that was just insane. So we had to quit this day, and by the time it took us to get back, it was ages because the shuttle bus had only just dropped us off, so we had to wait for that to return. It was a nightmare. So in the end, I think we decided to end up going to Universal Studios for the rest of the day after this one, and then we returned a couple of days later. So what you're going to see now in about a minute or so is then footage from a couple of days later when we actually returned back to Volcano Bay. So yeah, enjoy. Take 2. How far will we get before that breaks? Hopefully the whole day. Where else in the world do you have escalators to a water park? So we're here for early ride time. I can't actually believe we've actually made it to an early ride time or something. We don't normally do that. Is it? Maybe it is. Well, I regretted it from last time. Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay view rooms that Sean didn't get. He was very unhappy about. Right, take 2. There it is. And it was about 3, 2, 1. Oh no, Jack! Well, that's what we were doing, weren't we? And then so would I. So, oh yeah, I do need to sort mine out. I can't even show it. But cute. Right, we've got further than we did yesterday. Because at this point we were now going back that way, leaving the park. Oh. What do you want to go on, the beach? Do you want to go on the... Where do you want to go? Should we go to the main beach area? Yeah. Let's do it. Look at that. the same. Onto the sand. God, that's cold. That's the opposite of what I was expecting, especially after Discovery Cove last time. Umbrella, umbrella. Yeah. Are there any towards the front, or should we just go around here? There we go. It would be cool to have a Cabana Bay view room, wouldn't it, up there? That would be pretty cool. Pigeon, pigeon. Very cool. What's that?
It's good, isn't it? You've got a bit of space.
Yeah? What do you want? Go with these two. Or do you think?
Huh?
Go with these two, I think. Do you know why? Yeah. I like the Volcano Bay view room. Well, Sand Lounger anyway. Wow. Wave pool started. It's $14 for a locker. Don't make use of it. Right, okay, are we going straight over to do things, or? Yeah? Apart from the fact you bloody brought your bottle.
No, that's where they've been.
But aren't we going to want a bottle later to refill it?
Aren't there two in...
Oh, was that a third one you brought?
This is the one I had for breakfast.
Alright, if that's the case. I was going to say, there's water fountains everywhere here. As long as we've still got some, that's fine. I am paying $6 for a bottle of water here. Measha might, I ain't. Well, I need a watery bit so I can down with my very white feet. My feet are incredibly white. Now we're going straight over to the water coaster because that's always the one that everyone says just you've got to get your slot in. Somewhere this way. Concierge, premium seating, express pass towels. You can order towels. Souvenir towel, $27. Should we have a souvenir towel? Oh, there's the lazy river. There's two here. Oh, I'm sorry, my hat. I don't think they'll let me on with hats, I don't think. I can confirm their outfits are still exactly what I remember from 4 years ago. That's apparently acceptable.
Go to work.
Only in Orlando would that be allowed and not get away with that's sexist, that's inappropriate, that's unfair to women and humankind. Here, that's alright, get your arse out, love. That's how it seems to work here. I don't know, it just seems mad, doesn't it? Hang on. Oh, it made that go. That's already the queue for the water coaster up there. Yeah, that's why sooner rather than later, I think, is the answer here. Premium water, $6 plus tax. So a pretty cool water park. go. Around here? Aqua Coaster. Is that another effect? What does it say? Does it say ride now? Right now. Let's go on. There she is. So we've just done loads of the rides, and now we're going to go into the ones that I can take this on with. It's been good fun. No queue so far. Done the water coaster twice, which was great. The swimming. Oh yeah, this is the. Oh, it's the wave pool as well. Yeah, because every time you hear the bong, that's it going off. No, God no. Disney's is just ridiculous. That's colder than I was expecting. I hope not. It's not quite the Disney waves. There you go.
I like that.
Oh, it crashed. Oh, here we go.
They're cool rooms, aren't they?
They are really cool rooms at Tournament. I would consider it. I would consider staying there. The very first time, when we'd originally booked that Virgin holiday. And then COVID. This one, I don't actually remember.
It's very cold out the water. Windy. I bet this is great at night, like in the summer. Try that one. It's such an incredible water park. Well, it is a theme park, isn't it, really? No, it's not working. Well, that's disappointing.
Can we go in that bit?
Can we go in that bit?
How do we get it?
What? They just did. They just did. I'm going to do it. Look. Look, if they do it, you're okay. They do the interactive thing.
That's right there.
Yeah, stand right here, yeah, I wonder why. Excellent. Oh, nearly got you. It did get you.
Oh.
Oh, it's bubbling. Doesn't look like it. Looks like you're fine just to get a ring. Let's go get a ring. Thank you. What colour are you going for?
Orange.
Orange. There's an orange one. I'll grab the green one. Ah! I'm stuck. Oh, I'm in. What way around one? Oh, there we go. I'm in now. This is the lazy river rather than the not so lazy river that we tried earlier. We haven't tried this. Here she is. Oh, she's crashed. Oh, hello. Sprays on there. What? Scent pod? Yeah. They like their scent pods here at Universal, don't they? It's definitely lazy, isn't it, in comparison? This is like the Disney one. Oh, I felt a jet. There we go. I've had superpower. It's been really quiet so far, isn't it? I mean, there's certainly a good amount of people here. It's not like it's completely dead. In fact, I would say, when I came last, there literally was no one here. It was literally us and a handful of other people. Whereas this is actually, you know, there's people here. It doesn't feel too bad. it say at the moment? 80 minutes, should we do it? We've got 80 minutes to come back for it. Okay, 80 minutes on the clock. That is a clever little system, isn't it?
So it means we don't need a long queue. Did it say this on yours?
75 minutes.
What?
It was 80 minutes. How does that work? That's what we're going to do next. No, I don't think so. There we go, Tom. No. No. I mean, there is a big cloud over there. I don't know. Maybe you're right. Wasn't meant to rain today. No. I was just coming from something there. There it is. Is it down there? That's it, isn't it? Hi. Need to go put a life jacket on now. Easier said than done, you're right. Let's go enjoy these. Probably be the last bit that I can get before it runs out. There we go. Right, let's get one in and I'll do some filming. It's a very, very strong current. Are you ready? I'm in. Here we go. Whoa. Oh my word. Hey. Oh, it's brilliant. God, look at it. It's so fast. What's that? Janie would be freaking out. Whee! I fell over on those bridges. This is much more fun, isn't it? You have to wear a life jacket on this one. You're not allowed to otherwise. There we go. Oh, you're going that way. I'm going to try and go that way. Oh, she's shot off. She's got super speed. And here we go. There we are. Would you not survive the Titanic? There we go. Here's the fun water coaster. Really, really fun water coaster. Ooh. I'm so far ahead of Measha. Oh my word. Here we go, underneath the volcano now. Look at all the mesh. Absolutely crazy. There's a mixture of the water coaster. I'm trying to slow down, but Measha's gone. here. I've been trying to slow down, but I can't. There we go. Normally when there's a big wave, there's going to be a wave. There we go. Oh, there you go. Here it comes. It was away. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's so much fun. And I think that can bring us back round. Hey. Should we go again? We'll go again. Hi. Oh. I said to Measha earlier, I remember coming here 4 years ago and going around on this. I think I was on my own. I came out and I just thought, I can't wait to show Measha this one day. I can't wait to bring her out here because I bet she'll love this in particular, this lazy river, or not so lazy river. And now 4 years on, we finally made it. Here we are. And she loves it. There we go. Right, and I'll stop it there. I've lost me. The water coaster is on 2 hours at the moment, but we've got how long? 55 minutes to go, which is fine. We've already done it twice. It's your favourite. I knew it would be really good, but I knew we had to do it soon in the morning, so yeah, it sums it up. Because apparently people can arrive and that can literally be their ride, one ride that they can get on all day.
Are they not Tapu on something else?
I don't think so. I think you're only allowed one. Although I think they might have changed the rules. I'm sure I might be wrong here, but I'm sure there was something like where they tweaked the rules where you could do the water coaster and then one other, and then that one other kind of becomes a bit like the Disney Genie Plus situation, the 2 hour plus rule. I could do. never been here. Cool. Oh, look! Oh, it actually squirts it. That's funny. No one's there though. Wow. I literally could be in a Disney queue line. What does it do? Whoa. That's very impressive. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Windy. That is so cool. And there we go, we made it all the way around. I like that. Oh,
Oh, sorry everybody.
Measha caused that.
I won't do it again.
These are very fancy cabanas. Look at them. 2 levels. There we go, that was fun. I'm going to put this away, and there's only about 30 seconds left anyway, so bye!